Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at dropstab.com, a site you might know for cryptocurrency prices, charts, and portfolio tracking. But before you get your hopes up, keep in mind it doesn't actually sell crypto or hold your investments. It's essentially a digital ledger where you manually enter your coins and watch them fluctuate while you contemplate your life choices. So, is Dropstab legit or just another internet rabbit hole? Let's dig in. First, the good news. The domain has been around since 2018. In the volatile world of crypto, 6 years is practically ancient history, suggesting the owners are actually committed to the brand and not just planning a quick getaway to a non-extradition country. Their social media presence is also surprisingly robust, boasting 117,000 followers on X. Apparently, a lot of people enjoy staring at red and green candles in their spare time. They're active on LinkedIn and YouTube as well, which gives the brand a sense of transparency and stability. Furthermore, Dropstab offers official apps on both the Google Play and Apple stores. This means they've passed the mandatory security checks and met the standards set by the tech giants, making the platform feel more like a legitimate tool and less like a digital trapdoor. We even know who's running the show. Max K is the CEO and Sergey Budov is the CMO. Having a leadership team with verifiable LinkedIn profiles is a refreshing change from the usual anonymous developers hiding behind anime avatars. However, this is where the sunshine and rainbows end. Dropstab currently holds a 1.6-star rating on Trustpilot, which is a score usually reserved for companies that actively try to ruin your day. Users are reporting a recurring scam where they receive unsolicited calls claiming they have frozen or dormant Bitcoin accounts linked to Dropstab. Scammers then pressure these victims to pay a small, unlock fee to access their supposed fortune. Some reviews even describe fake portfolios showing massive balances used to bait people into handing over their personal banking info. It's the classic, you've won the lottery you never entered routine, but with a blockchain twist. To be perfectly clear, Dropstab itself claims to be just a tracking platform and denies any involvement in these schemes. It seems scammers are simply weaponizing the site's name and demo features to trick the unsuspecting. So, while the platform might be a useful tool for tracking your assets, you need to stay sharp. If someone calls you out of the blue promising a secret mountain of Bitcoin for a small fee, hang up. It's not your lucky day. It's a scam. That's all for today. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. This is Alex signing off. Stay safe, stay skeptical, and keep your private keys to yourself.